Welcome to CryptoCoins, where we review the best coins for you.
Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. I am going to waste not too much time here at the beginning. We're talking about crypto as usual, but you know, this one has a limited time frame on it, so I'm going to try and get through it quickly. But before I do, as always, I'm not a financial advisor. This isn't financial advice, and you should always utilize due diligence and research everything before you make any kind of decisions. But today, we are going to be talking about CryptoUnity. So, what is it? And what do they want to tell us as an audience? Basically, you know, the problem with crypto is it's very hard for beginners to understand. And crypto itself can be hard or complicated, and it can be intimidating. Exchanges are mainly apps full of simple functions, yet it means nothing to beginners as they still have to understand what they're doing and how to connect everything into one. Basically, what this is trying to do for that is it's supposed, in their vision, an app shouldn't just be a simple collection of functions. It's a journey, and they are intending to grow the user experience so that as you're going through it, you'll gain more understanding. The app will consist of simple features like most exchanges have, but it will be presented in a more digestible fashion. For example, like trade will be replaced with buy and sell. The app will be upgraded with additional functions so that the beginner can start his journey right, and their journey right, and educational content will be implemented into the app so that you can learn about how to use the app and generally about cryptocurrencies in general. Trading will be available to you at every step of the way. And the educational content will be intertwined throughout the entire application, and it'll always just be a singular click away. And secondly, the beauty of crypto is that users get to hold all of their funds. All exchanges hold users' funds, and that fact can be worrying, especially when we've seen how quickly such a large exchange can collapse because of it, and users tend to pay the price. Various PORs do not help, as users still have to trust the exchange to handle the funds correctly. CryptoUnity, they will not hold the user's funds. They will be held by an external company and must follow strict regulations and have insurance in place. In this way, there will be no conflict of interest and the funds will remain safe. There will be no need for trust. But so that's kind of it in a nutshell. We're going to look at some of these pages here. As you can see, the pre-sale is going on in about 18 hours. So we'll talk a little bit about that actually. They've had 3 successfully finished pre-sales so far. #cut world pre-sale, CUT world pre-sale is going to be the last one. The price increases gradually, and the first day of pre-sale is reserved solely for whitelisted participants, where only 2,000 spots are available. So the whitelist phase is going to be the lowest price, so chances of selling out are higher. If you want to buy, you need to apply for the whitelist, and fingers crossed, you get picked. You'll have to wait for the next stage if you don't. So we will definitely be linking that down in the description. So, if you are interested in this, make sure to, jump in and just be aware that if you're interested, you're on a limited time scale if you want the best gains for what you're putting in. What else? They have a completed audit by Quill Audits in September of 2022 and Certic in November 2022. And we're going to look at some of this, look at the news. Are you ready to take advantage of the last chance to buy CUT on our pre-sale? Our pre-sale is opening on the 18th of February at 1 p.m. This is a final phase where you can get in on the ground floor before it's too late. This is your chance to buy into a company that's going to change the game and make history. But don't wait too long, because it's happening with or without you. This is the last opportunity to support our pre-sale and secure your spot in this revolutionary movement. Our goal is to raise 2.5 million euros, and this is your chance to be part of that success. So they're pressing it, they intend to launch this bad boy very soon. And this is the page where you will be doing the pre-sale right here. You have the whitelist over here as well. Created with beginners for beginners, CryptoUnity is building a beginner-focused crypto exchange designed to enable effortless introduction to crypto trading, backed up with education and support by implementing the cold wallet. CryptoUnity will provide its users a secure way of storing funds. Each winner gets a guaranteed spot. The duration will be from January 11th to February 16th. So yeah, this is your last chance. The worldwide pre-sale will begin on the 18th. So, and there's the prize, your cut of it. This giveaway has ended. Ooh. I believe there's still a pre-sale going on though. The giveaway has ended, but the pre-sale. So, yeah, that's all for that. But, this is pretty revolutionary, even though it's not technically new. The beauty of it is that it's intending to bring the ideas of a centralized exchange with the utility of crypto, and you can't deny that it's a good idea. But that's another thing, for sure. It's gearing itself towards the beginners. They've got an app here. More than just an exchange, a wallet that offers a comprehensive analytical overview of the user's assets, a markets list with all trading pairs, a home screen with highly customizable, allowing users to add widgets to suit their needs. And it's beginner friendly. Educational content that ends with quizzes, enabling you to endorse your understanding. Question button on every screen that explains the purpose of certain functions and elements. Linking to extensive educational content on that particular subject, and a demo mode for learning that replicates a real exchange, allowing for safe experimentation and practice. This feature will also be available for its underage users. And then the element of decentralization, a fingerprint, face recognition, or password, a one-time password NFC CryptoUnity card. And if you want a more authentic experience, you will be able to look at the schedule and visit one of their traveling exchange offices that will also offer individual consulting. But yeah, so if you are interested in something like this, this is your last opportunity. Don't miss out. If this is something that calls to you, if this is something that genuinely you think you could be into, then always consider your options. But at the end of the day, make sure it's the right choice for you. I can't stretch, I cannot what's the word I'm looking for? I cannot emphasize, that's the word. I cannot emphasize that enough to you. Make sure to do your due diligence. I know it's a short amount of time, but make sure to do as much research on it as you can. But it is potentially going to be a good opportunity. So, that's going to be it for today. So go check it out, start looking at it, see if it's something you're enjoying. We'll have the links down in the description. Peace.